Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. and Ms. English channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Carla.
Hello, Carla, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It's great to be here with you today. How are you?
I'm doing great, Robert. I'm so happy for our new episode. And you?
I'm fantastic. I am always excited to help people learn English. It's so much fun.
Yes, it is. And today we have something very special. We have an easy conversation for beginners.
That's right. First, we will listen to a short dialogue. It's a simple conversation between two friends, Jane and Mike.
Yes, listen carefully. Don't worry if you don't understand everything, just listen.
After we listen, Carla and I will talk about the conversation.
We will look at the words and the sentences.
We will make it very, very easy to understand. We'll have a nice, relaxed chat about it.
That's exactly it. And we'll give some examples to help you. It will be fun.
But before we start, please help our channel grow.
Yes, please subscribe to Mr. and Ms. English channel and give this episode a like if you are ready to learn, and share it with your friends. Sharing is caring.
Okay, are we ready, Carla?
I am so ready. Let's listen to Jane and Mike.
Hi, Mike. How are you today?
Hi, Jane. I am good. Thank you. How are you?
I am great. The weather is so nice today, sunny and warm.
Yes, it is a beautiful day. I love days like this.
Me too. Listen, are you free this Saturday?
I think so. I do not have any plans. Why do you ask?
I want to go to the park. We could have a picnic. Do you like picnics?
I love picnics. That is a very good idea, Jane.
Great. We can eat, talk, and enjoy the sun.
Sounds wonderful. What should I bring with me?
I can make some sandwiches. Can you bring some drinks?
Of course. I can bring juice and water. Is that okay?
That is perfect. Maybe you can bring some fruit too.
Good idea. I will bring some apples and bananas.
Thank you, Mike. This will be a very nice picnic.
I agree. What time should we meet at the park?
Let's meet at 1 p.m. We can meet near the big tree.
Okay. 1 p.m. near the big tree. I will be there.
Excellent. I am very excited for our picnic on Saturday.
Me too. It will be a fun day. See you on Saturday.
And that was the conversation. A very nice chat between Jane and Mike.
Yes, very friendly and simple. I liked it. So, let's talk about it.
Okay. The conversation starts with Jane saying, "Hi, Mike. How are you today?"
The classic question, how are you? This is a very common way to start a conversation.
It is. It's friendly and polite. And Mike answers, "Hi, Jane. I am good. Thank you. How are you?"
He is polite too. He says, thank you, and he asks Jane the same question. That's very important in a conversation.
Yes, exactly. And Jane says, "I am great." She is more than good. She is great.
Yes, it shows she is very happy. You can say, I am good, I am great, I am okay, or I am fine.
That's right. Many ways to answer. After the greetings, they talk about the weather.
A very good topic for small talk. Jane says, the weather is so nice today. Sunny and warm.
Sunny and warm. My favorite weather. Sunny means the sun is out, and warm means it is not hot and not cold. It's a very pleasant temperature.
Yes. What if the weather is not nice, Carla? What can we say?
Ooh, good question. You could say the weather is bad today, or maybe it is rainy and cold.
Brr, rainy and cold. I don't like rainy days.
Me neither, but sunny and warm is perfect. Mike agrees. He says, yes, it is a beautiful day. I love days like this.
A beautiful day? That's another great phrase. It means the day is very, very nice.
It does. I love beautiful days. Okay, so after talking about the weather, Jane changes the topic.
She does. She says, Me too. Listen, are you free this Saturday?
Listen, that's a good word to use when you want to say something new. It gets the other person's attention.
That's a great point. And then the question, Are you free this Saturday? What does free mean here?
Here, free means you do not have plans. You are not busy. You have time.
Exactly. So Jane is asking Mike if he has plans on Saturday, right? You can ask, Are you free tomorrow? Or Are you free on Sunday?
And Mike's answer is interesting. He says, I think so. I do not have any plans.
I think so. This is a soft yes. He is not 100% sure, but he is mostly sure. It's a very common phrase.
Yes, very common and useful. Then he says, Why do you ask?
This is a polite way to ask why. He wants to know the reason for Jane's question.
It's nicer than just saying why. It's a very good, polite phrase. Why do you ask?
I agree, so Jane tells him why. She says, I want to go to the park. We could have a picnic.
A picnic? How lovely. So she wants to go to the park. A simple and clear sentence.
Very clear. And then she suggests we could have a picnic. The word could here is for a suggestion. It's a soft idea.
That's a great explanation, Robert. It's like saying maybe we can have a picnic. Is that a good idea?
Yes, exactly. And then she asks a direct question. Do you like picnics?
She wants to know if Mike enjoys picnics. It's a good question to ask before you make a plan.
Yes, very important. And Mike's answer is full of energy. He says, I love picnics. That is a very good idea, Jane.
He doesn't just like them, he loves them. Wow. He is very happy with the idea.
Yes. And he tells Jane that is a very good idea. This is great positive feedback. It makes the other person feel good.
It does. It shows he is excited. Jane then says, Great. We can eat, talk, and enjoy the sun.
She is describing the picnic. Eat, talk, enjoy the sun. It sounds wonderful.
It sounds perfect. And Mike thinks so too. He says, Sounds wonderful.
Sounds wonderful. This is another way to say, that is a good idea, or I like that idea.
Yes, you can say, Sounds good, sounds great, or sounds wonderful.
All very positive. Then Mike asks a practical question. What should I bring with me?
This is a very good question. When you are invited somewhere, it's polite to offer to bring something.
It is. It shows you want to help. What should I bring? A great question to remember.
And Jane has a plan. She says, I can make some sandwiches. Can you bring some drinks?
So she is making an offer. I can make. This is how we offer to do something. For example, I can help you, or I can open the door.
That's right. And then she asks Mike to do something. Can you bring some drinks? This is a polite request.
Yes, you use can you to ask someone to do something. Can you help me? Or can you pass the salt?
Perfect examples. And Mike is happy to help. He says, Of course. I can bring juice and water. Is that okay?
Of course, and that means yes, definitely. It's a strong and friendly yes.
It is. And then he says what he can bring, juice and water. And he checks with Jane. Is that okay?
Again, so polite. He wants to be sure that juice and water are good choices.
Yes, he is a very good friend. And Jane says, that is perfect.
Perfect. So she is very happy with his choices. Then she has another idea. Maybe you can bring some fruit too.
Maybe. She says it's a soft suggestion. She isn't saying, you must bring fruit.
No, she's not. It's just an idea. And Mike likes it. He says, good idea. I will bring some apples and bananas.
Apples and bananas. Healthy and delicious. So now they have sandwiches, drinks, and fruit.
A great picnic. Jane is happy. She says, thank you, Mike. This will be a very nice picnic.
She says thank you because he is helping. It's always important to say thank you.
Always. And Mike agrees with her. He says, I agree. That means, I think the same thing, right?
I agree. A simple and very useful phrase. So the food is planned. What's next? The details, time, and place.
Mike asks, what time should we meet at the park?
Another great question. What time for the time and where for the place? He asks about the time.
Exactly. And Jane answers, let's meet at 1 p.m. We can meet near the big tree.
Let's. We use let's for making a suggestion for a group, like let's go or let's eat.
Yes, it's short for let us. So Jane suggests 1 p.m., and she also says where, near the big tree.
Very specific, not just at the park, but near the big tree. This is good so they can find each other easily.
Very smart. And Mike confirms the plan. He repeats the information. Okay. 1 p.m. near the big tree. I will be there.
This is so important. Repeating the plan helps to make sure everyone understands.
It really does. No confusion that way. He understands the time and the place, and he says, I will be there. He is confirming he will go.
Great. The plan is set. Jane is happy and she says, excellent. I am very excited for our picnic on Saturday.
Excellent. Another word for very, very good. And she says she is excited. This means she is very happy and looking forward to the picnic.
Yes, it's a strong, happy feeling. And Mike feels the same way. He says, me too. It will be a fun day.
Me too is how you say you feel the same. If someone says, I am happy, you can say, me too.
Yes, it's short and easy. And finally, they say goodbye. Mike says, see you on Saturday.
A very common and friendly way to say goodbye when you know when you will see the person next.
Yes, you can say, see you tomorrow, see you next week, or just see you later.
That was a fantastic breakdown, Carla. We talked about greetings, small talk, making plans, suggestions, offers, and requests.
Wow. Yes. All in one short conversation. It shows that simple English can be very powerful.
It really can. The conversation was polite, friendly, and clear, a perfect example for beginners.
I agree. And the vocabulary was all very useful. Park, picnic, sandwiches, drinks, fruit.
Sunny, warm, beautiful day. These are words you can use every day.
Exactly. And the phrases like, how are you? Are you free? What should I bring? And let's meet at are so helpful for making plans with friends.
They are the building blocks of conversation. Learning them is a very big step.
It is. I hope our listeners enjoyed our little chat about the dialogue.
I'm sure they did. You explained everything so well, Carla.
You too, Robert. We're a good team.
We are. So, what do you say we listen to the dialogue one more time?
That's a great idea. Now that we have talked about it, it will be even easier to understand.
I think so too. Okay, everyone, let's listen to Jane and Mike one last time.
Hi, Mike. How are you today?
Hi, Jane. I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am great. The weather is so nice today, sunny and warm.
Yes, it is a beautiful day. I love days like this.
Me too. Listen, are you free this Saturday?
I think so. I do not have any plans. Why do you ask?
I want to go to the park. We could have a picnic. Do you like picnics?
I love picnics. That is a very good idea, Jane.
Great. We can eat, talk, and enjoy the sun.
Sounds wonderful. What should I bring with me?
I can make some sandwiches. Can you bring some drinks?
Of course. I can bring juice and water. Is that okay?
That is perfect. Maybe you can bring some fruit too.
Good idea. I will bring some apples and bananas.
Thank you, Mike. This will be a very nice picnic.
I agree. What time should we meet at the park?
Let's meet at 1 p.m. We can meet near the big tree.
Okay. 1 p.m. near the big tree. I will be there.
Excellent. I am very excited for our picnic on Saturday.
Me too. It will be a fun day. See you on Saturday.
And there it was again. I hope it was much clearer this time.
I bet it was. Practice is so important. Listening and understanding is a great skill.
It is. And that brings us to the end of our episode for today. We had so much fun.
We did. We love helping you on your English learning journey. You are all doing a great job.
Yes, you are. Keep practicing, and please don't forget to support our channel.
That's right. If you like this episode, please subscribe to Mr. and Ms. English channel. It helps us a lot. And share this podcast with your friends or family who are also learning English.
And we have a question for you in the comments below. Tell us, do you like picnics? What food do you like to eat on a picnic?
Ooh, I love that question. I want to read all the answers. It's great practice for you to write in English.
Yes, it is. So leave a comment. We would love to hear from you.
Thank you all for listening. Until next time, keep learning and have fun.
Bye, everyone. See you soon.